MEM is a partnership between EMMC, EBMC, EMC, and the help of various churches in Paraguay, Mexico, and Canada. MEM's vision is planting churches among the Low German Mennonites in Bolivia. The focus is on evangelism, education, and economic development. There are currently more than 100,000 Mennonites living in 106 conservative colonies, where in most cases modern conveniences like electricity, phones, and vehicles are forbidden. Only an estimated 5% of Mennonites in Bolivia attend an evangelical church. The other 95% live in colonies where the gospel of freedom in Jesus Christ is discouraged. Abuse, addictions, and a general feeling of hopelessness are a part of everyday life. The work of MEM is to bring the good news of salvation to the people in the language that they understand, Plotich. Two communities have been established in Bolivia to help families who leave the colony in search of a better way of life and for spiritual guidance. Nueva was established in 2005 and currently has 93 homes, with 22 businesses that employ over 100 people. Hacienda Verde was started in 2016 and currently has 60 families that are making it their home. We believe discipleship and education is the key to training future leaders so that these communities can move forward. Churches in both communities are very active, with Sunday school, youth programs, Bible studies, singing hours, and in teaching Sean Bible classes in Plotich. Nueva has had 10 students graduate from the Seon program. Hacienda Verde is off to a great start, with 40 students finishing Book 1. Mennonites coming out of the colonies have very little education. Through the establishment of Christian schools, MEM is hoping that students will go and spread the gospel with their friends and families in the colonies. Students learn 3 languages, Spanish, English, and Plotich. Nueva School is currently employing 5 former students as teachers. Hacienda Verde School is expecting their first graduating class in 2021. Outreach into the colonies is a very important aspect of MEM's work and is being done by colony visitations and using the radio to bring Bible studies, church services, and gospel music to the Mennonites in the colonies.
Hallo, ik ben Benny Veer.
En ik zie Esther Veer.
En ik zie Bult Gila.
We willen ons bedanken dat je met de gedicht in Hebreeën met ons teruggekomen zijn en dat je hart aan.
The radio has become an excellent way to share the gospel. God has blessed our work, and many have come to know Jesus as their personal Savior. But the work and needs are far greater than we ever imagined. There are so many areas where there is little or no evangelical presence, and MEM's vision for the future is to start more church plants. We need pastor couples that feel the call to come and join us in this work. Through your prayer and financial support, we continue to bring the gospel to the Low German Mennonite people.